So today I'm going to give you some lessons on how to install LED lights in and around your caravan or trailer or in your vehicle canopy. Step 1, take your wiring and give it a good throw, practicing that chase the monkey or baboon away from your campsite for this holiday, because that's how easy it is to install your LEDs. Okay, but on a more serious note, to put wiring into a caravan trailer, a canopy, is tedious work. You need to drill holes, chase wiring through ducts, and you need to have some form of qualification for that. You know, us with our little round hands, it's very difficult to do wiring if you haven't done it before. But if you use our LED magnet lights, then you can basically put this LED light anywhere in and around the trailer, in that dark cupboard, outside at night. If you want to remove it, move it inside at night. And there's a variety of these lights available. Okay, so we got available the tricolor light in 185mm as well as in a 250mm. Nice thing about these lights, they got a little metal plate, two-sided tape where you can stick on and basically use it and remove it and move it to somewhere else. Obviously, if there's a steel surface on a trailer, you can stick it on anywhere on the trailer. And then it's got a white, yellow and red, and it charges with a C-type charger. And yeah, it's either a money saving or a security thing for you, however you look at it. Very nice lights available on our camp store, camponline.co.za.